Ever feel like your shoulders are slowly trying to escape your body after 8 hours on your phone or PC? Yeah, same. If slouching was a sport, most of us would be national athletes. I went digging for a fix and I stumbled across something interesting. This is the Scapula Grip Belt. And trust me, this isn't your usual pull your shoulders back and suffer strap. So instead of yanking your shoulders backward like traditional posture belts, this one focuses on the shoulder blades themselves. That's important because around your shoulder blades are about 17 muscles connected to your neck and shoulders. When those blades spread outward, hello stiffness, tension, and headaches. The scapula grip belt uses a smart design that gently draws your shoulder blades toward their natural position. Not forced, not painful, just guided. It has a dual belt system, a W-hole structure that adapts to different shoulder shapes, and a shoulder drag design that targets the lower tip of the shoulder blade. The part most posture belts completely ignore. That's honestly the secret sauce here. What surprised me is how thin and breathable it is. The mesh fabric sits flat under clothes, doesn't feel bulky, and yes, it's washable, which matters if you plan to actually use it daily. Compared to regular posture correctors that overarch your back, this feels more natural. Independent posture scans showed noticeable alignment improvement when worn properly without forcing your body into an awkward pose. If your neck and shoulders are constantly stiff and massages only help for 5 minutes, this belt makes sense. It doesn't promise miracles, but it does target the real problem, and that's why it caught my attention. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.